Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is about Corel Draw 2019. I've gone over this before, but not just on this. On your arrow keys in 2018 or X8, your arrow keys were underneath your polygon tool in a flyout called arrow shapes, and they were right there. Well, Corel has moved them in 2019, and the gentleman that sent me the email is not very happy. They're still under your polygon tool, but now instead of basic shapes, they put all the basic shapes together into common shapes. And your arrow keys are in here: arrows, flowchart, banner. Basically what they did, they minimized the amount of this compared to this. They put all these into a common shape. Once you get used to it, it's not bad. But it's just moving stuff around, and Corel does that, and I will never understand why, but they must know more than we know. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.